This channel is gaining millions of views and the author earns tens of thousands of dollars a month by posting viral videos using emojis. In this video, I will tell you how to create such videos with the help of artificial intelligence and video editing. So without wasting your time, let's start over. We need to create an image similar to this, and to do this, follow these steps. I will show you how to make an amazing image of this type, and it will require a perfect hint. All you need to do is open the desired page and take a screenshot of the image. You can also download the video and take a screenshot from there. Moving on to the next step. Open ChatGPT, click on the download icon, upload the desired screenshot and ask ChatGPT to create a hint to generate a similar image. In response, ChatGPT will provide you with the perfect hint to use. Now we can move on to the next step. Now let's start creating an image using Leonardo AI. To do this, open the Leonardo AI control panel and find the image creation section. In ChatGPT, copy the invitation text that was created for your image and paste it into the appropriate field in Leonardo AI. Then set the aspect ratio to 9:16. When everything is ready, click Generate, and Leonardo AI will create 4 image options. You will need to choose from the suggested options the one that best meets your requirements and expectations. After that, you can upload the selected image and then repeat the process to create other necessary images, uploading them one at a time. Now let's move on to the final stage, creating a video from images. I'm going to use CapCut for this process, but you can use any other tool of your choice that is convenient for you. First of all, open CapCut and upload all the images you want to use in your video. After uploading, transfer each image to the timeline. Please note that it is very important to set the duration for each image to 2 seconds. Make sure that this duration is exactly 2 seconds, because otherwise the video may not play properly, and this may create additional difficulties during installation. When all the images are on the timeline, click on each of them in turn, go to the animation section, and select the effect you want to apply to each image. This will add dynamics to your video and make it more entertaining for viewers. If you want, you can adjust the duration of the animation so that it fits your concept. The next step is to go to the Effects section. Here, you need to find the effect that is in the Trend Effects category. Drag this effect onto the timeline and apply it to the entire video. Don't forget to reduce the intensity of the effect and adjust the speed according to your preferences so that it fits seamlessly into the overall style of your video. Finally, add background music to make your video more attractive and interesting to watch. I've already downloaded a song that I think would be perfect for this project, so let's add it here. You can adjust the volume to your liking so that the music blends harmoniously with the video. That's all. After all these steps, your video will be ready for export. Now you can export the video. Also, try to improve the quality of your videos and post new videos regularly to attract more viewers. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and click on the bell icon to join me in the wave of my training programs. Analyze and repeat step by step with me, grow and prosper. Let's make this world a better place together.